Hey everybody, welcome back to your one-stop shop for everything Oculus Quest. We're back with yet another week of breaking news, and what a week it was. We actually have so many new updates, we had to up our production value. We're also pushing past our time limit of 1 minute because there's just so much to talk about. Let's break it down. May 21st, we finally have a release date for the Oculus Quest, and it is May 21st. During Facebook's highly anticipated F8 developer conference, the Zuck himself took to the stage during the Tuesday morning keynote to confirm that both the Oculus Quest and the Oculus Rift S would begin shipping on the 21st. Pre-orders are now available through major retailers. Apparently, this release date does not apply to everyone though, as a few customers are reporting they've received their headsets early from Walmart. Based on photos provided by several Reddit users who claim to have made their purchases through the Walmart website, an unknown number of customers have accidentally had their devices shipped to them 2 weeks ahead of the scheduled launch. Of course, seeing as Quest functionality isn't live on the Oculus app, these are essentially $400 to $500 paperweights until the 21st. Walmart has since rectified the issue, acknowledging the slip-up in an official statement. Next up, we have an update on a pair of official Oculus Quest accessories. Available for pre-order now, the official Oculus Quest carrying case is guaranteed to make you the envy of all your tech-savvy friends. Just kidding, it's a painfully basic hardshell case. Official in-ear headphones have also been confirmed, offering an alternative to the headset's built-in spatial audio. Based on a leaked image from the Best Buy website, it looks as though you could be paying around $50 for this alternative audio solution. Speaking of DIY, popular VR YouTuber Virtual Reality Oasis has posted footage of him streaming Oculus Quest gameplay to an iPhone X in real time. Connected via a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, the footage looks crystal clear when played back on the iPhone screen. There are several limitations, however, including a lack of audio and a minimal but noticeable amount of latency. It has already been confirmed that the Quest will be stream compatible with Chromecast devices Generation 3 and up. And finally, we have confirmation for cross-buy support for a handful of previously announced Oculus Quest games. This week, Facebook confirmed that Rift purchases of Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes, Creed Rise to Glory, and Space Pirate Trainer would all transfer over to your brand spanking new headset. Oh, and earlier this morning, it was announced that the popular multi-platform social experience Altspace will also be heading to the Quest in August, after some improvements to boost optimization. Now Quest owners will have an alternative to VR chat that doesn't make them question their faith in humanity. Whew, that wraps it up for this week, but with May 21st just around the corner, we have a bunch of new updates and announcements on the way. For everything Oculus Quest, be sure you're subscribed to us here on YouTube, and for everything VR and AR, make sure you're checking out vrscout.com. Have an awesome weekend, everybody. We will see you on the next Quest.